just I've had a couple of experiences where, you know, the other day there, someone on subscribed to my OnlyFans and asked me if I did live, you know, like webcamming or whatever, and I said, I considered it, and I thought, I actually said yes. You can maybe tell me if you think this is not right on my part. I said yes, and it was late at night, so the next day he messaged me and said, you know, are you still interested? And I said yes, and then he's like, can I see if you're real, etc. And I was like, I'm just on my way out. I was like, I'll contact you, you know, in like an hour's time. And then he was like calling me and things like that, and I'm like, I'm telling you, I've got a car waiting on me. I can't talk. And then I was thinking about it when I was out, and I was like, no, like camming isn't for me. Like I've never done it. I don't think I could do it. So I messaged him, and no money had had changed hands. And he was also haggled down the price from like $5 a minute to like $2, like dictating to me how much. And, you know, I was like, you know, you're just stringing me along here. But then I said to him, like, I'm really sorry, I've decided it's not for me. And he was like, you're a scammer, you know, blah, 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 and like blocked me. And I was just like, oh, I was like, if you're going to be like that, I don't want if they're going to act like that, I don't want their money anyway, you know, at the end of the day.
Yeah, I'll tell you, you seem like a really nice person, and that's a problem though in this business.
Yeah, I know. I'm the nice girl of OnlyFans, and it's not. It bites me in the butt, you know.
yeah, and like you can't take it personally too, because like I guess, you know, you got those hagglers and everything, but that kind of person sounds like they're just trying to get something for free.
I know.
You know, and
I actually did something stupid yesterday. There was a guy that had posted on OnlyFans in one of the Facebook groups saying, you know, looking for content, you know, add me on Snapchat. So I added him, and he was like, oh, you need to verify, take a picture saying my name. And I was like, right, okay. So I did it, and then he was like, okay, I'm a good customer, I promise I'll pay. Send me a titty pic. And I'm an idiot. I'm like, I know. He's like, I do pay, I can give you proof. And I was like, right, okay. I was like, at the end of the day, it's just boobs. I was like, I'll send a picture, you know. And then I told him how much, and he's like, I'm not paying that. You're not worth the money, blah, blah, blah. And I'm not expensive at all. And I was like, you're just a complete idiot. So I was like, why are you wasting my time? You know, it's like, why do that? But I ended up, I reported the guy on Facebook. I was like, you know, because I don't want other girls to have the same experience. And you have to develop a thick skin as well in this job. It's not for the faint-hearted. I'm the most sensitive person in the world. But I've got to let it, you know, brush over me, or you would just fall to pieces sometimes.